We're at our first stop. We got a KFC. We're getting some lunch before we drive to our hotel.
Yes.
That's our cool rental car over there.
See, to us it's like 5 p.m.
What time is it here?
We just got some energy drinks.
Oh, it's 3 o'clock. You excited? What'd you get?
Want a banana? How do you say it? Want a banana?
Passion fruit?
You got passion fruit.
Selfie queen. All right, we just got to our hotel for my little birthday weekend trip. Got a nice towel cake here, great touch. Oh yeah. Nice little jacuzzi. Heck yeah, guys, this is it. About to go to the hot springs that they have here. We're gonna hop in, get a little wet. Get a little outside with the hammock and everything.
Wow, this is nice.
Cheers.
Wow.
Okay, so it is 5 o'clock in the morning. Christy's getting ready. We're getting ready to go to Rio Celeste National Park. Gonna go see the waterfall and all that. Also, dang. Also, big shout out to Chubby's because my entire suitcase is clothes that they sent me for this trip. So thank you guys. If you guys want to buy some of that, Kelderman 15 for 15% off. Boom. All right. So yeah, the sun hasn't even come up yet. We're getting ready. We're about to get in the car and another 2-hour drive. And it's not going to rain till 11. So we're scooting.
We're going to try and get some coffee.
We're going to get some coffee. I don't like coffee, but I'm going to get coffee.
Yeah, because it's famous here.
Because it's famous here. What are we doing, honey?
Going to Rio Celeste.
What are we going to do there?
See the bluest waterfall.
And then we're going to go swimming in the river.
Oh no, it's not the river.
Outside of the park.
Yeah. a river, a fall.
Yeah, the falls.
Look at that close.
Hey, doggy. Alright, I just stopped at this little bakery here. All my food's already gone because it was so good. I ate it, but Christy still got some of hers left. How is it?
So good.
What'd you get?
A chicken.
A chicken something and a cinnamon roll. Look at that. Some things never change. It's 7 a.m. now and we're almost to Rio Celeste. What just happened?
We made a wrong turn.
And we went down a really steep hill.
Very steep hill. All the way downward.
So we turned around strategically. After we saw this bridge, I kind of thought that perhaps we were not in the right area.
It's like one of these bridges we went over.
Yeah.
These are the tickets that I read about. Get in?
Mm.
Look, hummingbird, hummingbird. Oh, it just flew away. If we stay here, then let's stay here. That close. Maybe it'll come back. Be quiet. He's right there. Walking in the jungle.
Looking for animals.
I mean, I'm so short. You can only see my head or your head. How are your feet on the sandals?
Good.
Good? Good. I like the sandal idea. I'm glad I have them.
They have a display poster of it over here.
Oh, this is the stop, and then you can keep going to see the other things. Okay.
Theirs are really getting me.
Are they? They're not getting me.
Whew. No moss cardio.
Wow. So how did somebody get the photo of her? Because they were like in...
Turn around.
Oh man, this is how I really want the photo.
It's not a photo, it's I'm taking a video.
Yeah, this is real life. Oh! The rock's a little...
Yeah, welcome back here.
Yeah.
There's a bee!
Okay. Yep, it's there. It's gone.
So this is where these three, so they meet here and then it changes colors into the blue. It's not as blue right now because we're here in the rainy season, but it's just as beautiful, right honey?
Mm-hmm.
And check this out. Wow! Got it. Mosquito. Okay.